morning. Welcome to Thursday morning, and we have math class. So let's go ahead and start our math today. Today we're going to do 2 lessons again, but we're only going to do part of the lessons. So in lesson 155, you're going to do odd numbers. So you'll do all of like part 1, part 3, part 5, part 9, part 7, part 9. Okay, so you're going to do all the problems in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? As many odd numbers as there are. And then in lesson 156, you're going to do all the even numbers, right? So you're going to do 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and as many even numbers as there are in the lesson. So you'll skip in this one you'll skip the even numbers, and this one you'll skip the odd numbers. So that means on each problem there's a number for the problem to help you grade it and find your place. And you'll do the odd or even ones on the right lessons, okay? Alright, so first let's do some review. So 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. And because we multiplied by the ones place, and now we're going to multiply by the tens place, so we need to put an x in the ones place. So 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then bring down the 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Bring down the 4. Now, to check this, we're going to flip it. So we're going to go 31 times 15. First of all, we have 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And let's put the one place down here. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. That's 5. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. And the numbers match. So this is correct. Alright, what's 1/7 of 42? So if we have 42 and divide it into 7 parts, 42 divided by 7 is 6. So there'd be 6 out of 7. 6 in. So if this is divided into 7 parts, there'll be 6 in each part. Alright, so it's XV, so Roman numerals. So XV, so 10 plus 5 is 15. L is 50. XXX, 10, 20, 30. LXXXV, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. And we have IV. I is smaller than V, so we're going to minus I from V. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And the same kind of thing with XC. X is 10, C is 100. So 100 minus 10 is 90. And then we have LXXVII. So 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. There we go. Alright, Emma bought 9 rabbits at $10.11 per rabbit, and a duck for $12.25. So what was her total bill? So we have 2 parts to this. First, we need to find out how much she spent together in rabbits. We have how much she spent all together with ducks, right? She only has 1 duck for $12.25, but we don't know how much she has all together for the rabbits. She bought 9 of them at $10.11 each. So let's times $10.11 each times 9 rabbits. So 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 9 is 9. And 0 times 9 is 0. 1 times 9 is 9. So she has $9.99 in rabbits. So now let's add together $98.99 plus the duck to find the total bill. So the duck is $12.25. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. So Emma's total bill was $110. $5.24 with all of her animals that she bought. Alright, so today we do times 3, times 5, and times 10 in flashcards, and yeah, so make sure you can get these 2 lessons done. You could do the whole things if you want to, but I'm only going to have you only need to do the odd numbers in 155 and the even numbers in 156. So have fun knocking out these 2 lessons and enjoy your day. I totally forgot to take off the chain, so let's take off the chain. And this is the 10th chain. We have 10 more days of school. This is also Kenton's chain. And we have on here Ephesians 2. So I'm going to read some verses from Ephesians 2. Alright? But God, who is rich in mercy, because of his great love with which he loved us, even when we were dead in trespasses, made us alive together with Christ. By grace we are saved. And raised us up together and made us sit together in heavenly places in Christ Jesus, that in the ages to come he might show his exceeding riches of his grace in his kindness toward us in Christ Jesus. For by grace you have been saved through faith, and that not of yourselves, it is a gift of God, not of works, lest anyone should boast. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. Alright. That is a really cool passage. I remember a couple times we would talk about this passage, so you should go check it out. It's in Ephesians 2. Sometimes on the mat in the mornings we would talk about that passage. Alright, so we have 10 more days of school. Keep going, you guys are doing awesome. So, alright, we only have a little bit left till summer, so yeah, way to go guys.